What if you could access ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and more all in one place, all in one app? No switching tabs, no juggling subscriptions, just one platform for chatting, coding, summarizing, researching, replying, and automating. That's what Merlin claims to offer. And today we're going to test if it actually delivers. Hey guys, and welcome back to your channel. Merlin, found at getmerlin.in, is not just another Chrome extension. It's a full AI platform complete with a chat workspace, app integrations, browser tools, and even project management. Whether you use the Chrome extension or the full featured Merlin web app or mobile app, it gives you access to top AI models like GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and Mistral side by side. So first, before we begin, let's have a look at what users say about it. On Trustpilot, Merlin holds an average rating of 3 stars, which is a little mixed. Some users love it for being fast, flexible, and feature-rich. Others mention bugs, response limitations, and UI improvements in progress. But with over 2 million users, there is no doubt Merlin is catching attention fast. So let's dive into what it does. Let's discuss the core features of Merlin one by one. So let's start with the bots feature. One of the most powerful tools in Merlin's workspace is the ability to call on specialized AI bots just by typing our symbol. Let's say you want to brainstorm SEO ideas, type our article assistant, and it will help you with numerous SEO ideas, whichever you want, which will help you enhance your blogs and articles. If you need a better ad copy, use our marketing editor. If you want help refining a prompt, use our prompt scientist and it has got you covered. These bots are pre-trained for specific tasks like writing, research, editing, and content generation, and they help you move faster with better results. Whether you're creating blog content, writing emails, or crafting product descriptions, the AI bots act like instant collaborators tailored to your workflow. You don't need to open new chats or find the right tool. Just type AI, choose the bot, and keep working in the same thread. So that's the end of feature number 1. Now let's move on to feature number 2. That is organizing with projects and AI setup. One of Merlin's most underrated but powerful features is projects, a workspace where you can organize your research, chats, documents, and AI tasks in one place. It's like having folders for your brain, custom folders where you can group related conversations, data, and ideas by theme. To start, just click on a new project in the Projects tab. You'll get 2 options. Start from scratch, where you manually define everything, title, goals, instructions, or use Create with Merlin, which is a smart AI-powered setup. So with the AI route, all you do is describe what your project is about. You can upload documents, explain your goals, and Merlin will build a project structure for you automatically. It even includes a magic import option, which lets Merlin scan and import relevant resources for you based on your project description. This means whether you're working on a client proposal, a research paper, a marketing funnel, or even an internal guide, you can build a dedicated space for it inside Merlin with everything connected. So there's no more juggling Google Docs, chat history, or Notion pages. Your AI work stays organized and accessible. So that's the end of feature number 2. Now let's move on to feature number 3. That is unlocking more power with built-in AI tools. Beyond just chatting and organizing projects, Merlin gives you access to a full set of productivity boosters, all tucked under the More menu. Let's walk through what's inside. First up there is the Vault, a space to bookmark and save important chats, summaries, ideas, or any content you want to reuse later. Think of it like your personal AI notebook. Then there's Prompts, which is a library of pre-built templates and prompt ideas to help you get started faster. Whether you're writing emails, coding, or planning content, you'll find ready-to-use prompts for every task. Next is Image Generation, where you can create AI-generated visuals by simply describing what you want to see. From thumbnails to concept art, you type it and Merlin renders it. Under bots, you can explore and use specialized AI bots for niche tasks like I just told you. These include writing assistants, editors, content planners, coders, and more, each designed to handle a specific role with precision. And finally, there's AI tools, your toolbox for research analysis, web browsing, and content generation, from solving math to summarizing articles to generating ideas. This is where the real magic begins. Everything in the More tab is designed to give you deeper control and more creative power beyond just chatting with AI. Now let's discuss who Merlin is actually for. As for professionals and teams looking to centralize AI workflows, students and researchers who need fast summaries, explanations, and analysis, customer support teams building help bots, developers and creators generating code ideas and documents daily, marketers and freelancers writing emails, social captions, or repurposing blog content. If your work involves thinking, writing, or problem solving, Merlin fits right in. Now let's talk honestly. The UI can still feel a little heavy depending on your browser and device. The Chrome extension sometimes lags on websites with lots of media. There are still response limits and delays when too many users are active, especially for free accounts. And Trustpilot reviews suggest that occasional bugs or missing outputs for newer models, though many of these are being actively addressed. Merlin offers an affiliate program which makes it easy for creators and educators to recommend it. They also provide API access on team and enterprise plans, allowing you to build workflows, automation, and custom model integrations if you're running a business. So is Merlin worth using? If you're tired of switching between ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and endless browser tabs, yes. Merlin puts everything in one space, lets you use AI the way you want, and adds automation tools on top. It's not perfect, but it's fast, evolving, and honestly hard to stop using once you start. If you're curious, test the free plan. Try both the Chrome extension and the full web app. And if you like it, upgrade and go deeper with Merlin's full potential. Link is in the description if you want to give it a try. Give it a go, your entire workflow might change forever. That's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.